Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining exactly what mummy bacon means in your area: a cured, novelty smoked cut or a branded product. Once done, contact nearby butchers, specialty delis, and farmers markets. Ask about limited run or seasonal cured pieces and expected delivery windows. Make sure to bring an insulated bag or cooler for transport, and record the storage temperature range 0–4 degrees C. This first step saves wasted trips and ensures you can secure and preserve the product immediately when you find it. You now evaluate options on site. Inspect labels and ask about curing method and duration, because flavor and safety depend on sugar, salt, and smoke balance. Once you locate potential candidates, verify origin and weight, and look for any novelty coatings or spices that justify the mummy name. If available, request a small sample or a partial cut instead of a full purchase so you can taste and confirm texture and smokiness. This prevents costly mistakes and informs final selection. You finish by purchasing the chosen piece and ensuring proper packaging. Vacuum seal when possible, or wrap tightly in butcher paper and place in an insulated container. Once home, store refrigerated at 0–4 degrees C for short-term use or freeze at -18 degrees Celsius for longer storage. Label with date. If you encounter an off smell, slimy texture, or discoloration, stop immediately. Discard the product and inform the vendor so they can address potential safety issues and prevent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.